first of all, I think casting Baman and Farah was a big question. A lot of people said, but who will come to see the film? But I feel that Baman is one of the greatest actors that we have in the country today. So the country might as well come and see him. It's very important for people to acknowledge him as an actor. And with Farah, I always get angry with her. I sometimes hate her. Sometimes I'm jealous of her. But I've never stopped loving her. So this was my way of taking revenge. But her performance is so stunning that I think it's boomerang completely on her.
Congratulations to all of you for making this film. It's a maiden venture, so I wish you all the best. And I've seen Farah's shown me some snippets. I've been seeing it on YouTube, and I think it's going to really rock, inshallah. And Sanjay Bansali for being a producer, finally, of a film which is light and happy. I've always told my friend, please make frothy, light films. So he made Black, but it's his sense of frothiness. Boman, of course, genuinely one of the finest actors of our times. And I'm not being patronizing. I really think one has learned a lot from him. So this is his first launch film as a hero now. So wonderful, Boman, and God bless you, man. Of course, that's one Parsi here who helped me a lot. And then, of course, Farah Khan, who I think genuinely, again, is one of the most talented directors ever in the history of Indian cinema. Not only as a woman, but as a man, or what do I say? Including men and women. So thank you, Farah, for giving me some of the nicest moments in films. And I wish you all the best as an actor. She's a producer, she's a director, and now an actor. And it's a thing that whenever directors turn into acting, the film is a big hit. So inshallah, this will also be like that, yeah? मतलब मुझे ऐसा लगता था हमने जो भी फिल्में की हैं उसका सब मजाक उड़ाते हैं, इसका कोई नहीं उड़ाएगा, लेकिन नहीं शिरीन नहीं, बाबूजी ठीक कहते हैं, ये हमारे बुजुर्ग हैं, हमारे माता पिता।
पापा
ये पूरी जिंदगी हमें पालते हैं, पोसते हैं, हमें ढेर सारा प्यार देते हैं। हमें कोई हक नहीं बनता कि हम इनका दिल तोड़कर अपने ख्वाबों के महल खड़े करें। ये लीजिए बामन जी, संभालिए अपनी शिरीन। अगर आपको लगता है कि आप इसे मुझसे ज़्यादा प्यार दे सकते हैं तो आप बेहतर जानते हैं। मैं यहाँ पर सिर्फ म्यूजिक रिलीज करने आया था, किसी का दिल तोड़ने नहीं आया था। ये लीजिए शिरीन को संभालिए बाबूजी।
पापा, how dare you?
I think it's time we started making love stories with geriatrics also. Love happens at every age, and there is no age, there's no stage, there's no time, there's no place for love. And I think it is also one coming of age of Indian cinema when you make a film like this. I remember when this film was being discussed long time back. I don't know if it was the same one, but there were talks of Bela making a film. Sanjay had kind of mentioned to me about it, and even myself, I thought, "Arey yaar, ye kya bana rahe hain ye log yaar? Ye kaise banegi film?" I think we were not grown up enough, mature enough, or understanding enough that you can make a wonderful film about love, which happens, like I said, at any time. And I genuinely believe that there will be a lot of people of young age, of middle ages, of older ages, who will be able to identify with this wonderful romance which is called Shireen Farhat Ki To Nikal Padi.